Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MongoDB on Windows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Download the MongoDB installer from the official MongoDB website. Choose the version appropriate for your Windows operating system. Select the MSI package for a straightforward installation process. Once the download completes, locate the MSI file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the MSI file to initiate the installation wizard. Click Next on the welcome screen of the installer. Review the license agreement and click I accept the terms in the license agreement to proceed. Click Next to continue with the installation. Choose between Complete and Custom Installation. Select Complete for the default installation settings. Click Next to confirm your installation options. On the service configuration screen, ensure Install MongoDB as a service is checked. Select the option Run Service as Network Service User. Click Next to proceed. On the Data Directory screen, you can choose the default directory or specify a new one. Click Next to continue. Review the setup summary and click Install to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type Mongo to verify if MongoDB is installed correctly. If prompted, set up your data directory by creating a new folder. The default data directory is usually located in c:\data\db.single. Create the necessary. After setting up the data directory, run mongod in the command prompt to start the MongoDB server. Open a new command prompt window to run the MongoDB client. Type Mongo to open the MongoDB shell. You are now ready to use MongoDB on your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.